Hey guys, this is Chris with BTCPBay.com. This isn't my normal get you up to date on how far I've come video. That's going to come around in about half a week, and it's pretty cool. So I think everyone's going to be super happy. But this is actually a video to go out to the designers. I need help because I'm stuck. Last time I got stuck, I got help from a guy by the name of girl of the_spooky on Reddit. So thank you, the Spooky. This is the template he or she basically gave me, and I probably butchered it by now, but this is basically what it looks like. So originally I was like, okay, well, I'm going to have these search items, people can search and they'll see these, they can buy them from here. But then I was working on the separate page, which is just the user profile page / store page, and like this page would have, look at all the items they're selling or something button right there. And then, they go look at the items or something like that. But I figured, why am I linking back and forth? Why don't I fuse the two together? So we have this template right here, which is an item template. And if we put this basically inside of that person's profile store page, so this URL will still hit, but what will happen is it'll bring up basically the store page or the profile page with this frame down here inside of right here. So, maybe a button, say maybe an about button, and maybe click that and see about. Contact, maybe that should remain there all the time because you see we have contact in both places already. I would like to leave this quote in there, just as a little personal touch for people. And as far as the list all selling, something like that, here's the list view of the data that can be used when querying to list all the items that a person is selling. And this is all real data being streamed from the database, but obviously I just inserted a bunch of bunk info for testing purposes. So these are all the fields you can use. You don't have to use all the fields, but I just want to let the designers know they're there. If you don't think you're a great designer, believe me, you're better than I am. That's why I have to reach out for help on this stuff. If you have a piece of paper and a crayon, I'm sure you could come up with some great ideas on how to put what where. Obviously, I prefer Bootstrap. If you program this stuff in Bootstrap, you can send it to me, and it's a lot easier on me, even though I still have to convert it. But for now, I think that's it. I have someone on Twitter right now by the name of Ivan Lucci, IVANLUCCI. He's agreed to help me, so good man. Thank you for doing that, and I think he's actually working on this right now. This video was actually just intended for him, and then I figured, well, I might as well broadcast it out and let people see what's going on right now. So give him a high five, follow him, say thank you. I don't know. I'll send this tweet out and say something to him. But until I get some more design done on this, I'm going to have to stop on the whole user profile page because it's difficult to model data for a page when I'm not sure what data is going to be displayed where on that page. I'm not going to stop working. I'll work on something else. But for now, this is going to look horrible. Again, this stuff laid out here, don't judge this. The stuff laid out here is simply so the designers know what data is available and what data that needs to be used somewhere. If you think you can help, find me on Twitter. Twitter name is CypherRain. Here, I'll pull that up. Could have just spelt it. There it is right there. Cypher Rain on Twitter. Follow me. Talk to me. Something. I'll tweet this out in a few. That's all.